Hi, let me show you how to use the new component tool to easily place parametric objects such as plumbing, cabinetry, furniture, fencing, site-specific objects, and fenestration treatments. If you click into the type that you want to place, for example, plumbing, we're going to give you a range of generic options. We've kept them simple so that you can adjust them and that they're not going to take up too much file size. So let's place a shower, all of these things, every single object that I'm going to quickly place, you can actually parametrically change. You can change it very simply, very quickly, and you can do it at any time. And there's a lot of information that you can actually input in there. Simple matter of just submitting and placing. We also have the drop to wall option, so if you want to make sure that one of your cabinets, for example, stays to a wall, so if that wall moves, it will stay with it, you just select drop to wall and then you can place it. There is so much information that you can input, so you can change the requirements that you desire. Let me just quickly run through a few. Now these will all be smart, so they will actually reference the wall that you want to place it against. Totally customizable. With the island benches, there is a front and a back. Adjust it as required. Place it against walls. Furniture, we have a huge range. Generic objects, you can adjust them parametrically with the click of a button. So easy. With fencing, select your type and you can just drag and drop. We even have retaining walls. Now, what's excellent about these is that you don't have to keep on dragging and dropping. Once you've placed it, press the S on your keyboard, and this is a smart scale, so it will automatically parametrically update it for you. Picket fences, post and rail. We even have a pool, and everything is totally adjustable. We have some site-specific components. These are very useful for builders, for example, sediment fence, and again, you just press the S on your keyboard and it will automatically, parametrically update this for you. Temporary safety fence, often left out and not considered throughout the process of design and then to construct or construction. We even have portable toilets. For the fenestration treatments or the window treatments, we have a few options that are available. For example, flat awning, vertical awning, and awning louvers. These are great when you put your sun study on and you can actually determine if you need to actually have a window treatment to stop the sun penetrating into your building at certain times of the year. And all you do is just place it. You can, however, drop it to the wall, so if you do move the wall, it will stay with it. I'll give you an example of that. Select the wall, drop to wall, and then place it. Again, it's all parametric, and you can adjust any of these components at any time. Simple.